Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got a truly unique product that combines utility with discretion. Imagine a car air freshener that not only keeps your vehicle smelling fresh but also serves as a hidden camera. Introducing the GNLHZO Hidden Camera Air Freshener, a device that is not only functional but also versatile for your security needs. The GNLHZO hidden camera features an intricate design that perfectly mimics a standard air freshener, making it virtually undetectable. This innovative product is powered by advanced technology which includes a full HD 1080p camera capable of capturing clear footage, ensuring that every detail is recorded without drawing attention. Its compact and discreet design is ideal for placement in various settings, be it your car, home, or even an office. Let's dive deeper into its features. Apart from its primary function as an air freshener, this device is equipped with a 64GB internal memory, allowing you to store hours of footage without the hassle of frequent data transfers. This means you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your valuable moments are being captured while you go about your daily life. One of the standout features of the GNLHZO hidden camera is its user-friendly interface. It can be easily operated via a simple mobile app, which allows you to start or stop recording, view live footage, and even access saved videos. This makes it not just a security camera, but also a great companion for on-the-go surveillance. Whether you want to monitor your vehicle while parked or keep an eye on your home, this device serves endless purposes. Let's not forget about the exceptional video quality. With its FHD 1080p clarity, it can capture sharp and detailed footage even in low lighting conditions. The GNLHZO is not just about aesthetics or design. It delivers quality that meets the needs of modern security demands. Installation is a breeze. The camera can be set up in seconds without the need for any special tools. Just find a suitable spot, like your vehicle's dashboard or hanging from a rearview mirror, and you're good to go. Its versatility ensures you can adapt it to different environments easily. In conclusion, the GNLHZO hidden camera air freshener exemplifies a perfect blend of form and function. With its advanced technology, ease of use, and discreet design, this product stands out in the market as the best car air freshener with hidden camera capabilities. If you are in the market for a smart surveillance solution that doesn't compromise on aesthetic appeal, the GNLHZO is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, stay safe and informed.